What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm gonna teach you how to set security questions on Fiverr, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean so much if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So guys, what are security questions and how to make them so you can increase your account security? With security questions, you will be asked a question when making a specific changes within your account settings, so be sure the answer is something only you know. So how to do it? So to add security questions, you need to go to Profile, Settings and Security. Scroll, when you have a security question, click Edit and select your questions, add an answer and submit to change it. Again, go through Profile Image, Settings and Security, select Security Question and press Edit. Answer your existing question and select the new questions, add answer and press Submit. So you need to go to your profile picture in the upper right corner, go to the Settings, and in Settings, in this left menu over here, select Security. As you can see, I do not have set any security questions, so when you press set, we are having please select questions. So what was the name of your elementary school? What's the name of your first pet? What was your childhood nickname? In which city did your parents meet? And what is the name of your favorite childhood friend? So let's just select pet and basically enter the name of your pet or whichever answer or question you have selected, press submit, and whenever you're creating some serious changes to your profile, let's say you want to change a security question, when you go to edit and add a new question, you will be answered this first one, and when you give a correct answer to that one, you will be able to change your security question. So basically that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.